Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily insert the batteries for your BOSE A30 Aviation Headset. So at first you have to prepare yourself a AA batteries. As you can see here you have that our shop provided us. It's 1.5 volts HardReset AA battery, and we have to have two of them. Then we have to take our control panel, which is here, and take this shield off, uncover just our battery section. Here it might be difficult for you, but here we have the minus side of the battery, here plus. We have to pull this battery in there, like here. Now the battery is inserted, as you can see, and now we have to pull the second one, but while pulling the first. And it might not look exactly like we wanted to do, but if they are stabilized as I do have here, and we have minus and minus towards here, as the picture told us here, we have everything set correctly. Now we can close it and turn on our headphones. As you can see, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.